This is the Orbital Velocity Interactive Calculator, which solves orbital mechanics problems for satellites and spacecraft. The calculator has a drop-down menu called Select Calculation Mode with 6 options: Calculate Orbital Velocity, Calculate Orbital Radius, Calculate Central Body Mass, Calculate Orbital Period, Calculate Escape Velocity, and Calculate Orbital Energy. For this demonstration, I'll use Calculate Orbital Velocity mode. The input fields are central body mass in kilograms, orbital radius in meters, orbital velocity in meters per second, orbital period in seconds, and satellite mass in kilograms. Let's work through an example using Earth's parameters. I'll enter central body mass as 5.972 e24 kilograms, which is Earth's mass, and orbital radius as 6.771 e6 meters, representing an altitude of 400 kilometers above Earth's surface. After clicking Calculate, the results show orbital velocity equals 7672.49 meters per second, or 7.67 kilometers per second. The orbital period is 5544.93 seconds, or 92.42 minutes. The escape velocity at this altitude is 10,854 meters per second. The centripetal acceleration equals 8.6940 meters per second squared. And the gravitational parameter is 3.9859 e plus 114 cubic meters per second squared. This calculator streamlines orbital calculations for mission planning. Find the link in the description below.